In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall from Windows 11. We will walk through 3 simple ways to remove apps and programs, so follow along on your own computer as we go. First, press the Windows key and the letter I together to open the settings window. You should now see the Windows settings panel, usually with System selected by default and a list of icons on the left side. If settings does not open, check that you pressed both keys at the same time. Then try again until the settings window appears. Once that is open, go to Apps, then choose Installed Apps. The main area now shows a long list of apps and programs installed on your computer, along with their sizes and sometimes their install dates. You can scroll to see more entries. On some screens you may also see a search box at the top that lets you quickly filter this list by typing part of a name. Next, find the app or program you want to remove. Take your time here and read the names carefully. Many beginners accidentally remove tools they still need because some apps have very similar names or share the same icon style. If you are unsure, do a quick check of the name before moving on, then come back to this list. Once you have found it, click the 3 vertical dots next to the app. A small menu appears right under your pointer, usually showing options like Move, Modify, or Uninstall, depending on the type of app. This little menu confirms you are targeting the correct program, so double-check the name again before you choose anything. Now click Uninstall. A confirmation box appears asking if you really want to uninstall this app, and in many cases it will also mention that the app and its related data will be removed. When you confirm, Windows starts the removal and the app will disappear from the list once it has been fully uninstalled. From here, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the removal. For some programs, you may see a separate uninstaller window open with a progress bar and 1 or more questions, such as whether to keep settings or remove them. Keep clicking the Next or Remove buttons as needed, and when that window closes, the program is gone. Next up, click the Start button on your taskbar to use the Start menu method. The Start menu opens, showing pinned apps on the left and a search box. At the bottom or top, depending on your layout, you should also see shortcuts to all apps and possibly recent items. Select All Apps. The menu now changes to a full alphabetical list of every installed app that registers with the Start menu. You can scroll through the letters or use the search box at the top to jump straight to the name you need, which saves a lot of time on long lists. Find the app you want to remove. When you highlight an entry, you may notice a small arrow if it is a folder or a single icon if it is a standalone app. Make sure you pick the exact shortcut for the program and not a support tool underneath it unless that is what you want to remove. Right-click the app. A context menu appears with options like Pin to Start, More, and Uninstall, and it will show the exact app name at the top. This is another good moment to confirm you chose the correct entry before you continue so you do not remove the wrong icon. Select Uninstall. Depending on whether the app came from the Microsoft Store or a traditional installer, you may either see a small confirmation box from Windows or the same full uninstaller window as before. When the process finishes, the app icon disappears from this All Apps list. Then follow any prompts to finish uninstalling. Some uninstallers might ask about removing user data or shared components, so read each prompt, choose the option that matches what you want, and then let the progress bar reach 100% until the window closes. After that, open Control Panel. You can do this by searching for Control Panel from the Start menu, then choosing the app with the classic blue icon. When it opens, you will see several category titles like System and Security or Programs, along with smaller text links underneath each category. Select Programs, then choose Programs and Features. The window now switches to a detailed table listing desktop-style programs, usually with columns for name, publisher, installed on, and size. This view is especially useful for older software or large suites that may not appear clearly in the Settings App section. Now find the program you want to uninstall. You can sort by name or installed on by clicking the column headers, which helps when the list is very long. Scroll until you see the exact title that matches the program you no longer need, and take a moment to verify the publisher line if several titles look similar. Right-click it, then select Uninstall, or Uninstall and Change if that is what appears. Windows will immediately open that program's own uninstaller dialog, often dimming the background window slightly. The entry you chose stays highlighted in the list so you can confirm you clicked the right one. Finally, follow the prompts to complete the process. Continue through each screen of the uninstaller until it reports that removal is complete, and you may see the program vanish from the list right away or after a short refresh. You have now learned 3 reliable ways to uninstall apps and programs in Windows 11 using Settings, the Start menu, and Control Panel. If this helped you clean up your system, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple Windows tips like this.